All right, so here we're going to try and do a full walkthrough of some of the features of implemented for the final product and show you how they might be used. So we're going to start off with trying to register review. So use this link right here. So as you can see, it's going to show us a not logged in message. So in other words, you just have to be logged into the profiles that they've created for the portal in order to submit an application for the review to be registered. Let's go ahead and try doing that now. Let's go back to home and log in with our Google credentials. And because a Google account is not associated with a profile that's been created yet for the portal, it's going to take us to a create profile page, which is what we're going to do now. Let's pretend for a second that I have a document. Auto-populate. All right, now we're going to upload a profile picture. Now it's going to let us crop it to our liking. So it's smaller here and sign up. Okay, so the profile was successfully created, and we're now logged into our account. It's not try doing the same thing. Register page. So here, if you want to submit an application for the reviews to be included in registry, are going to submit the details of the review. These details are quite extensive. The form is pretty long. But for the sake of them, we're just going to type in some details here. Title, random start and end date, and the review status. On the author. Go ahead and add here. Since we just began this review, we can initially set the status to right now submit our application. Okay, so the application was successfully submitted. Now, the next step in the process is the administrator needs to log into the portal, do the application we just submitted, and then approve it. So go ahead and do that now. Let's log out of our account and then log into admin profile. All right, we're now logged into an admin account. So first, we're going to have to find the application. We're going to do the search reviews page. Go ahead and try using the search from home feature. So I call the review title, I believe. Shows up. Of course, since it's not yet been approved, it's going to show up on the unapproved filter. So here we have the start date that we inputted, the title, the two authors, and the fund organization. So this gives us a detailed view of the review. And first thing you notice is it's going to show the profile of the user who actually submitted the application. It doesn't get forced. If we click on this profile, it's going to take us to a full profile page. In addition to showing the position, organization, location name, etc., it's also going to show the file that I inputted. All right, let's go back to the search page and try approving this review. It's unapproved. Take this back to exactly where we were. And approving and denying review is implemented with just this simple button you see in the top right corner here. So all we're going to do is right, and so the review is successfully approved and now has the approved status. And of course, once the review is approved, admin should be able to deny the review if they want it removed from the registry for whatever reason. So try that and click the same button. It's now set to unapproved. Okay, great. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to need it to be approved. And another cool feature associated with detailed view of the review is bookmarking. So if I wanted to bookmark a review so I can return back to it later, I'm just going to use this button in the top right corner. Okay, so it's now bookmarked. Let's go and verify my bookmarked page and show the right. So that you can both approve and deny reviews and also add and remove bookmarks. Let's go and try that. My bookmarks and it's now gone. Okay. Great. And so let's go and log back into, we'll call that the application. Okay. And say, for example, say a couple months have gone by, and I now want to update the current status of my review. following here, I would go to my active reviews page. It's going to show up right here. We have two modes, view and update. So view is just the same view that we just saw on the search page, so nothing special there. But if I go to the update tab, I can now update the status of the review. So initially it was initiated, but now we've made some progress, so it is now ongoing. Let's go ahead and try that. Okay, great. Now we're going to verify that it has in fact been updated to ongoing status. Let's go ahead and try searching for it here. So try initiating, it doesn't show up. Ongoing, it does. So that behaves as expected. Okay, and that's basically all I want to show you in terms of functionality of the site. Additionally, we added some informational pages. First one is the About page. It's going to show the purpose and a short introduction as to how you can use the portal. Additionally, in this further that we implemented here, it's going to give us some additional things. So the disclaimer is empty, same with the privacy policy. That's just because we haven't provided with this policy tag. But the contact us page. So say, for example, a user has submitted an application, they would like to ask an administrator about the status of their application, etc. You go to this contact page and you'll find this button. If you click on this button, it's going to open up the Outlook app with the recipient preview. Okay, and I believe that is all I wanted to share today. Thanks for watching.